Si Kai Zachary Soto ay ipinanganak noong May 11, 2002 sa Las Piñas. Siya ay pinagpala ng kakaibang taas mula sa murang edad at ang kanyang interest sa basketball ay pinalalago ng kanyang pamilya. Ang kanyang ama na si Ervin Soto ay naglaro ng basketball sa kolehiyo sa Pilipinas na siyang naka-impluwensya ng maagang panahon kay Kai Soto sa kaalaman sa sports. Kai Soto's exceptional height, agility, and batting skills on the court quickly garnered attention within the Philippine basketball community. Sumali siya sa Ateneo de Manila High School basketball team kung saan pinakita niya ang kanyang potential as a dominant force in the local high school basketball scene. Ang pag-angat sa kasikatan ni Kai Soto ay nagpatuloy ng kanyang irepresenta ang Pilipinas sa iba't ibang international tournament para sa kabataan. Siya ay naglaro sa FIBA Under-16 Asian Championship at sa FIBA Under-17 Basketball World Cup. Ang mga torneyong ito ay nagtulong sa kanya na makakuha ng mahalagang karanasan sa international competition at pagkakataon na magpakilala sa buong mundo.
This is a remix.
Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back mga ka-Big Boss! Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, ang The Big Boss 101, ang pobreng Shift TV, Sibuyanon channel, and ang Rumblumanon Vloggers. Thank you!
Maituturing daw na pinakamalakas na
Some calls didn't go our way. It was part of the game. We just can't leave it in the refs' hands to make those plays at the end. We'll come back and try to get these next ones.
Gilas, panalo sana versus Dominican Republic kung hindi pa na-fouled out si Jordan Clarkson. Nakapagtala si Jordan Clarkson ng 28 points, ngunit na-disqualify siya sa laro with 3 minutes 32 seconds still to play in the fourth quarter to hasten the downfall of Gilas before a new FIBA record of 38,115 fans that included Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Your thoughts on the Philippine support today? That was amazing. Glad everybody came out to support. Just kind of upset we didn't come out with a win. Like I said, some things didn't go our way towards the end, but we fought hard and we kept to it.
The story of the game is Jordan Clarkson. Sa pagkawala niya, ay dito na hindi malaman ng Gilas kung papaano ipanalo ang laro. Pero it was still a very competitive game at sa dulo na lang talaga nagkatalo. Ito ang mga klaseng laro na talo but feels like a win. Buwis buhay kasi ang nilaro ni AJ Edu sa pagdepensa niya kay Karl Anthony Towns at talagang pinahirapan niya ang NBA superstar. At kung si AJ ay buwis buhay sa depensa, ay si Junmar Fajardo naman ang buwis buhay sa opensa by dominating inside the paint. Nakakabilib ang ginawa ni Junmar Fajardo sa buong laro, pero kinapos talaga sa dulo against a very strong team. Pero sad to say na mukhang hindi pa rin 100% si Kai Soto at binangko siya ni Coach Hat Reyes. And hopefully, makakabawi si Kai Soto in our next game against Angola.
What are your measures to bounce back from this loss?
Just keep competing like we did tonight. We fought hard. Like I said, some things didn't go our way towards the end. We just got to finish well and get the next one.
More than 34 minutes for you in this game. How do you feel after that?
I'm good. Just getting ready for the next one. We got a day of rest and get back to it.
Si Kai Zachary Soto ay ipinanganak noong May 11, 2002 sa Las Piñas. Siya ay pinagpala ng kakaibang taas mula sa murang edad at ang kanyang interest sa basketball ay pinalalago ng kanyang pamilya. Ang kanyang ama na si Ervin Soto ay naglaro ng basketball sa kolehiyo sa Pilipinas na siyang naka-impluwensya ng maagang panahon kay Kai Soto sa kaalaman sa sports. Kai Soto's exceptional height, agility, and batting skills on the court quickly garnered attention within the Philippine basketball community. Sumali siya sa Ateneo de Manila High School basketball team kung saan pinakita niya ang kanyang potential as a dominant force in the local high school basketball scene. Ang pag-angat sa kasikatan ni Kai Soto ay nagpatuloy ng kanyang irepresenta ang Pilipinas sa iba't ibang international tournament para sa kabataan. Siya ay naglaro sa FIBA Under-16 Asian Championship at sa FIBA Under-17 Basketball World Cup. Ang mga torneyong ito ay nagtulong sa kanya na makakuha ng mahalagang karanasan sa international competition at pagkakataon na magpakilala sa buong mundo. Samantala, maliban kay Karl Anthony Towns, may isa pang player ng Dominican Republic na dapat babantayan ng gilas at ng mga tagahanga ng Pilipinas, at ito'y si Lester Quinones. Maliban kay Karl Anthony Towns, si Lester Quinones ay isa pang kilalang manlalaro mula sa Dominican Republic at siya ay bahagi ng Golden State Warriors ng NBA. Matapos siyang pumirma ng 2-way contract sa koponan pagkatapos naglaro sa kanilang G League team na Santa Cruz noong nakaraang season. Dominican Republic target man Lester Quinones. Ayon sa statistics, siya ay may pangalawang pinakamataas na average na 20.2 points para sa Santa Cruz Warriors noong 2022-23 season na nagbigay sa kanya ng G League Most Improved Player Award. Si Lester Quinones ay naglaro rin para sa Warriors sa NBA Summer League bago sumali sa paghahanda ng Dominican Republic para sa FIBA Basketball World Cup. At siya ay may average na 21.2 points para sa Warriors sa Summer League, na pangatlo lamang kay Tari Eason ng Houston Rockets at Benedict Mathurin ng Indiana Pacers na parehong naglaro para sa buong NBA season. Si Quinones na 22 years old at naglaro para sa Memphis sa kanyang college days, likes the chances of Dominican Republic to progress with the depth of the team built around Towns. It's been great. Maybe 2 weeks with these guys, the chemistry is starting to get there. We are starting to build a bond on and off the court. We are extremely talented. I feel that our depth is what is going to make us go far here. At yan ang sinabi ni Lester Quinones. At sinabi pa niya na ang kanyang kamakailang pagsabak sa NBA Summer League ay nakatulong sa kanya na mapanatili ang kanyang kondisyon para sa kampanya sa FIBA Basketball World Cup. Being with Golden State the whole summer, going through that Summer League to Dominican Republic, I feel like I've been lacking in more treatment for my body because it's going to be from Summer League to the World Cup right into training camp. I feel like taking care of my body is the most important thing. Yan ang dagdag na pahayag ni Lester Quinones. At sa katunayan, ang head coach ng Golden State Warriors na si Steve Kerr ay narito rin sa lungsod bilang coach ng USA Basketball para sa World Cup. When we were in Granada, Spain, they played Spain. I talked to him there, at yan ang sabi ni Quinones referring to his coach Steve Kerr. He is out here now. We will probably meet up for dinner or something here. It's amazing. He told me just to have fun and it's a great experience. A wonderful opportunity. At sinabi ni Quinones ang tungkol sa tsansa ng Dominican Republic sa World Cup. I feel like with the team, and the talent that we have a chance to make some noise here. Yan ang sabi ni Lester Quinones. That's it for